Hi everyone, welcome to Login Insert Tech. Today, we install thread inserts in the top exhaust manifold bolt holes. First, drill the hole to match the insert size. The pilot hole size can be found in our specification table. Then we will chamfer the hole to create a smooth lead-in for the tap. This is the top included in the thread insert kit. Each thread insert size comes with a matching STI tab. Just let it tap slowly and steadily. It is faster, easier, and more accurate than manual operation. It's okay. Now quickly clean it up. Spray some cleaner inside. Finished. I believe many people already know this, but this is a thread insert. At the bottom, it has this installation tank. Our installation tool has a front driving slot at the tip. It will engage and screw into the insert tank. The slot holds the tang, and this is how the insert fits the tool. Sorry, my hand was in the way. With downward vertical pressure, we'll screw it in until it sits just below the bottom surface of the hole. At this step, the installation is almost complete. Use the Tang break-off tool. Use a hammer to break off the tang like this. Now the installation is secured. And the new threads will work smoothly when installing bolts. It also helps avoid a lot of hassle